What is going on, my mighty fine people? It's a happy Aloha Saturday. The sun is out. It's Fire Red 5 Saturday. I just caught these from the exchange. It's a lovely day. If you catching this, go check out who has the heat sneaker battles today. Rain Man GQ versus Cole. We're gonna be doing a real big on Sis 313 Retro Queen channel at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, real quick. Just gonna get it in, no intro, no outro. Just give my very quick thoughts on this shoe. As you can see, it's not a typical Jordan 5 box. It's a PP personal pair, Air Jordan Retro 5, Fisher colorway, true white, fire red, black. Suggested retail price, 200 of them thing, but you see it in Navy Exchange price, $159.99. We got this boring box. We got a little scratchy sale going on. We got the receipt on deck. No games being played. And I got them, see that? $151.99. So again, another steal and deal on the retail, right? You got your thing right here. You got your black paper. You got your shoe right there. And I always like to do the left side and get it out real quick, because this is going to be a quick first look. Bam. Let's check out the materials. Not bad. Do a little spin around. Let the Navy Exchange. You see Jordan 5, another one of these Tinker designs. The leather not stiff, but it's not the greatest. You got your reflective tongue. You see you got this piece to protect it here. You got your lace lock with your Nike. You got your Nike on there. You got your fighter jet, right? Because they're based out there with your shark's teeth. You got your icy sole. Myself personally, 5 is okay. They're starting to grow on me. I would prefer the ones with the 23 and the black tongue. That's just my personal preference. These are cool. You got Nike Air on the ass, while a lot of us hike beasts, right? This stitch, which always make the shoe feel really nice. Kind of get it that luxurious look. Around on the media side, pretty much the black. Look like quality is pretty good on this. The white looks pretty good. You got your clear air unit. You got your net in here. It looks really dope. I think I'm gonna go with a black lace swap on here. Too much white, just to break it up a little bit. You got your, around the collar up here, you got your red. That's very nice and soft. Up here, you got your Air Jordan upside down, which is typical. And as you can see in there in the corner, you can get your QR code. Make sure your shoes are legit. The shoe tree is all, and I just want to get this out real quick. Y'all probably seen this at nausea. I just wanted to do my take on this shoe. You know, all of this here. I didn't have the original ones, but a lot of the older, I'm pretty sure they probably got yellowed right here underneath the shoe. Like I said, you got the icy blue Nike. I try to keep my shoes clean after every wear to try to prolong the longevity of the shoe. Yes, I did say longevity. You got your big jump, man, all of that and above. Like I said, no wow factor about this shoe. I'll probably keep it a little bit. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I might wear it. We'll see. I'll let it marinate, because I typically don't wear my shoes right away. So you guys leave a comment suggestion below. Let me know, are these some clean, or these some hell? No, I know a lot of people went after these. As you can see inside, so you also got Nike Air. They did sell out on the sneakers app. So out of 5, I'll probably give it about a 4.7 out of 5. You leave a comment suggestion below. Let me know what you think. Currently on the road to 10K. Slow and smooth as fast. No big rush. Thank you for all the love and support. Y'all already know. Brick by brick. KO for my current challenge, 31 days of forward on IG. Emoneyshoes, much love to y'all. I'm out.